This story is absolutely pathetic. Pathetic.
Well, tonight, that 85-year-old man is in the hospital and his family wants justice.
And to know who could possibly beat someone so badly, he's almost unrecognizable. News 5's Bob Jones spoke with the family, and we got to warn you that some of what you're about to see and hear may be disturbing.
Friendly, funny, and devoted to his wife for 66 years, these pictures capture a glimpse of Ralph White's personality.
Always helping people, never asked for nobody to give him anything back. Just a caring guy, did everything. He's the guy that would go in the restaurant and see a little kid and go tell jokes.
But the family also wants you to see these photos of what Ralph looks like now, so people understand the brutal beating he endured at the hands of a stranger. His face bloodied and bruised, his left eye badly swollen.
They said he had a blood on the brain. He's got a broken jawbone, and the left side of his eye is completely shut.
Police say Ralph was driving on 8th Street Saturday night in Canton when another driver pulled out of a parking lot and collided with Ralph's car. Instead of checking on the senior citizen, who was trapped by an airbag, that other driver got out of his car and attacked.
And the guy just started punching him and didn't stop.
In my heart, I have no judgments against the man. If he walked in here right now, I would hug him. Like, from day one, I've had no bad feelings towards the guy. It was just a plain out accident.
10 months later, the victim of a road rage attack speaking out, saying he forgives the man who almost beat him to death. Ralph White is still recovering from his injuries, but says he's not letting the attack get him down. CNN New Yorker sat down with him and has this story.
Every time I saw him.
Sunday morning, Ralph White sat in the pews of Grace Fellowship in Canton, reflecting on the word.
Resentment, anger. Every time you see the person, there's something in you. Choose not to forgive, to carry the burden, to hold the grudge, and we won't be forgiven by God.
And for White, the words deeply personal.
Don't hold grudges against people, because grudges will kill you.
Last February, the 86-year-old man was nearly beaten to death by this man, Travonce Backie. Investigators say Backie attacked White after their cars collided.
So I rolled the window down to talk to him. And then he just starts cussing me out, jerks the door open, starts pounding on me.
White was hospitalized and suffered multiple injuries, including facial fractures and brain bleeding. He told me recovery has been difficult.
I had a headache so bad, I'd go to bed, sleep 4, 5, 6 hours during the day. It was hard on my wife because she would be home, I'd be there, but she would be alone because I would be in bed. And it made it really hard. Our marriage really was hard for a while.
Backie was convicted of felonious assault and other charges and is serving 5 to 7.5 years in prison.
Is this the correct sentence?
White didn't attend the court hearings, but says he wishes Backie well and forgives him.
People says, how can you do that? I was raised in a Christian home. I was taught that way from all my life, and it will never change.
These days, White and his wife of 67 years spend more time together. He loves playing with his grandchildren, and he's excited to meet his great-great-grandchild due this summer. But he thinks of Backie at times.
As soon as I get the okay, I want to send a guy a Bible, and I want to pray for him. I want everybody to pray for him. Because like I said, it just happened, wrong place at the right time. And in my heart, I forgive the guy.